Hi guys, I just want to do a quick video today about whitewashing a fireplace. Maybe I'll give you guys some ideas. Maybe you're a little hesitant or nervous about painting a fireplace like my wife was. Um, so let me talk to you a little bit about this. So our fireplace was dark, I guess dark red. It was a red fireplace with some blackish details or tones in the brick. The bookshelves, the built-ins, were dark brown, dark brown. And then the mantle was a cream. So yeah, I hated it. But we lived with it for a while because we were doing other things around our house. I'm gonna start making videos about the projects and rooms that we've taken on in this house. Our house looks so different from when we moved here a couple years ago. But I really wanted to show you this because I feel like just changing the fireplace changed up our room so much. It's a vocal point now. Everyone that comes over and sees it always compliments it. It makes the room feel so much bigger. And let me just talk to you about it. So this fireplace, there's actually three colors on it. It's all whitewashed. I didn't just paint it. I whitewashed it in and then scrubbed it off. But we wanted to add some depth to it. So let me talk to you about that. So let me walk you over here. So we did a simple whitewash over the whole thing. And whitewash is half paint, half water. And you can just get like a sample paint, matte sample paint, and just go from the top to the bottom. We brush on a few bricks, let it sit for maybe a minute, and then wipe it off the best we could, pretty aggressively. Let that sit for a couple hours, and the whole fireplace just had this pinkish red tone. And I didn't care for it. And my wife didn't either. We were kicking around an idea to add some depth to it. So we added some paint here. It's called Volcanic Ash. It's a sample from Lowe's. It's kind of like a charcoal paint. So we did half that, half water, and we painted this on over the whitewash right here. Let that sit for about 10 seconds or so. Wipe it off aggressively. Let that sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then we did just one whitewash over the top of it, white paint and water. Let that sit for about 10 seconds, wiped it off. And it really lightened it up. It gave it the color we liked. This is the original whitewash. It's just one coat of whitewash here, just one coat. This is the third color. So this is that, just whitewash. And then we added 25% white paint, 25% of like a cream paint, and then 50% water. And that cream paint is a sample that we got from Sherwin Williams called Creme, C-R-E-M-E. The whole thing we did with samples. And then the grout is just one coat of whitewash. But when you do the cream to the brick, after the whitewash, you do this, it kind of really gives it like a nice gray look to it. And I was really pleased with it. So when you kind of back up, you can see the differences. There's really three, original, a gray, and then a dark gray. But we really like it a lot. I think it really adds to the room. My wife loves it now. She regrets not doing this a long time ago. You know what? Let me show you that sample right there. Creme from Sherwin Williams. There's a few things we got to do to it still. We want to clean that up, add some high temp black paint, change the outlet out, put a white outlet in with a cover, change the hinges out on these doors. Those doors are already funky. You got to change those hinges out, replace the hardware, and then paint along the bottom down there. So if you can imagine the way it looked, again, a red brick fireplace, brown built-ins, and a kind of a yellowish mantle. And then, just imagine that and then look at this. It's just so much better. Excuse me. So much better looking. It's just so comfortable. Sorry the video is a little shaky. I'm recording at my phone. I just want to do a quick video, give you guys some ideas. I know there's a lot of people out there that are really hesitant about painting brick. I get that, but we whitewash it first. We can live with this for a few years. If we get tired of it, we can just change it. We can paint it a different color, maybe a lime wash. I don't know, but I like it. I think we're going to have it for a long time. So if you have any questions, please put them in the comment section. I'll try to respond to every comment I get. Yeah, again, if you've been thinking about it, I definitely think it's worth it. It really opens up your room. This room feels so much bigger now. It's not a very big living room to begin with, but, yeah, so, have a good day. Thanks for watching.